So hi, so this is a Java code of a two-day array that has a size of 10 by 10, 10 rows and 10 columns that ask you to enter a dimension and then print out or display a triangular pattern which corresponds to the dimension you enter. So first, here is the import Java util that scanner. So this imports the scanner class from the Java util package, which is used for taking input from the user. And then the public class main. So this declares the main class, which is the main or the title of the name of the class. So every Java program must have at least one class, and main here is the class name. And then public static void main string args. So this is the main method, and it is the entry point for the entry point of the program, so meaning that the execution of the program starts here in the static void. And then scanner equals new scanner system.in. So this line creates an object scanner of the scanner class to read input from the user. So in system.in, so this means that the input is from the keyboard. And then while true, so this starts an infinite loop. The loop will continue running until a break statement is encountered. So system.out.print interdimension. So this prints a prompt on the console asking the user to input a dimension. So this will be the time that you will be asked to enter a dimension. And then int dimension is equals to scanner.nextInt. So the user's input is read as an integer and stored in the variable dimension. So the number you entered will be stored in the dimension in the variable, which is the dimension. And then if this code, so if the dimension is equals to -1, then system that out print terminating word. So this check if the user entered -1. So if the user enters -1, then if it's true, then it prints out the word terminating. So which breaks the loop and thus end the program. And then this one, if dimension is less than 1 and dimension is greater than 10, system.out print line, please enter a valid dimension between 1 and 10. Then continue. So this checks if the input dimension is not between 1 and 10. So if it is not in between 1 and 10, so if the dimension is out of range, so it prints an error message and skip the current loop and iteration. So it will skip the iteration. And then this one, int bracket array equals to new int 10 by 10. So this is the size of the array, 10 by 10. So this creates a 2D array with 10 rows and 10 columns. Through the array is not so the size. This is the size of the array. This creates the array of a size of 10 by 10. And then system.out.print line generated pattern. So this will be printed together with the pattern together with the pattern of the dimension entered. So this one is the for loop for int I is equal to 0, I dimension I plus plus. So the outer loop, which is this I, runs the dimension number of times, so each iteration corresponds to one row of the triangular pattern. And then the inner loop, which is the J, so the loop controls how many ones. So how many ones are printed in each row. So it prints increasing number of ones as I increases. So as I increases, it increases the printed the display or the outcome output 1. And then system that out that print ln. So that's it. And then scanner close parenthesis. So this closes the scanner to free up resources after the program is done reading the input. So we will try to run our code. So here it is. So enter dimension 4. So generated pattern, then enter another dimension 5. So if you enter dimension out of range like 12, so please enter a valid dimension between 1 and 10. And if you enter the dimension -1, so terminating. So that's end our code, or that's end the program. So that's all.